Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which will actually extract the text from the PDF document. So we have this simple PDF document present right here in the same directory, sample.pdf. It contains 2 pages and we will try to extract all this text and try to print this in the terminal. So this is really easy. There is a package here that you just need to install. It's a very popular package, PyPDF2. So just go to the command line, just execute this command, pip install PyPDF2. So I have already installed it, and then after installing it, I will just show you how to use this. So first of all, just import this package like this from PyPDF2. We just need to import this class here, which is PDF reader. After that, as you can see, it contains this PDF reader class here from PyPDF2, and then we just need to initialize this. So for initializing it, we will be passing the path of the PDF to this class here, PDF reader, and simply pass the full path of the PDF file. So it is present in the same directory, so we have passed the simple name here, sample.pdf. After that, there is a function which is there. We declare a variable text where we'll be storing it, and then we will loop through all the pages, total number of pages like this. So this object here, it contains pages right here, which will contain the total number of pages. So we are running a simple for loop. It will loop through all the pages and then we will extract. So there is a function right here which is extract text. So it will extract all the text from the PDF document, and I will just print this text in the next line. So print text. So now what happens if I execute this script here, python app.py. So for this you just need to, just make sure that this P is capital. So just make sure the spelling is correct, and then now run this. You will see all the text has been successfully extracted. You can see that. So in this easy way guys, you can extract all the text from the PDF document using this package PyPDF2 inside Python. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website, which is freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.